everyone, so today we're going to work on this problem. If we start with 1 gram of strontium-90, 0.953 grams will remain after 2 years. What is the half-life of strontium-90? And we're given this equation, where K is the rate constant of decay, T is time, N sub 0 is the initial quantity, and N sub T is the remaining quantity after time T. So we're given N sub 0. That's 1 gram of strontium-90. That's what we're starting with. And we're given the amount that will remain. That's 0.953 grams after 2 years. 2 years is our time. So the only thing that we're missing in this equation is K. And when we substitute in all of our knowns to find K, we're going to use our K value to find the half-life. So let's do this problem. We're going to substitute in what we know. Negative K times T, our T is 2 years, equals a natural log of N sub T, 0.953 grams over N sub 0. That's our initial amount. That's 1 gram. Simplifying this further, we get negative K times 2 years equals negative 0.0481. To get K alone, we're going to divide by negative 2 years. The negatives will cancel out. Simplifying this further, we're going to get K equals 0.0241 per year. Now, how are we going to use this to find our half-life? Well, we're going to need to remember the half-life formula. Half-life is equal to 0.693 over K. 0.693 is the same thing as the natural log of 2, so you could put the natural log of 2 here if you wanted to. So we know our K. That's 0.0241 years to the negative 1, or per year. So we're going to plug in K to find our half-life. So our half-life is equal to 0.693 divided by 0.0241 years to the negative 1. Plugging this into your calculator, you're going to get your half-life equals 28.8 years.